I'm Andy Dival, in partnership with my brother Mick. We've got an earth moving bulk haulage business in Goulburn, employ 250 odd people. We do anything within a couple 100k radius of here, whether it's quarrying, demo work, civil work, anything that keep us moving. Last year was a big year for us, 50 years of Divals. 50 years ago Dad bought the place. There's a little quarry up there, now it's down here. And we got this Dozer painted out of the factory in Brazil, especially for the occasion. Unfortunately, we lost my dad last year before he got to see this, but it's in tribute to him. We started off doing quarrying work originally, and then we branched out. Goulburn Bypass probably put us on the map. We supplied a couple 100,000 tonne of road base there. We had 3 trucks. We run them 24 hours a day, and that really got us started. And from there, we've just been doing all sorts of things. We're doing some work up at the Snowy Hydro too, which is exciting, so it's great to be part of that. We just completed a massive wind farm, 55 turbines. We've done access roads, turbine foundations. We've poured the concrete for the foundations, the whole package of work. We've been buying CAT products for 35 odd years. We've got confidence in the product. Yeah, we're exclusively CAT Dozers in our fleet. CAT graders, CAT rollers, CAT compactors. We've actually got a D5 next gen Dozer coming shortly. Another compactor, yeah. We've got confidence in the product. WestTrack doing a great job for us. CAT's doing a great job for us. We're looking forward to the next 50 years. 4 young children that are all keen on the business, so let's see what the future brings. This Dozer here is actually the 4th D8T in our fleet at the moment. They've been just a great machine. They're reliable, operators love them. They're just a good, versatile machine. D8's great size for our business. A bit of quarry work, a bit of earth moving. D6. Also last year we received a D6 XE, electric drive. Good on fuel, fully GPS. The GPS, trims out within 10 mil. Beautiful. We first seen it over in Vegas. We were over there with Trimble Dimensions, and they had a field day where we could get on and drive the machines, and I spent half a day on the thing, and my young bloke Jack, he loved it, and yeah, that's where we decided to purchase one. WestTrack and Caterpillar's backup and parts service has been great. We operate out of the Canberra branch. The guys will run parts over to us if we're in a breakdown situation. Product support, they've got a great rep. Jacob, he does a great job for us.
My name's Andrew Milner. I'm the Corporate and Major Accounts Manager for WestTrack. I've been with the company 12 years. WestTrack's had a working relationship with Divals since our inception in 2004, so 16 years now. Divals have a working relationship with the Caterpillar brand for the last 35 years. We were honoured to work with them on this grey D8 to celebrate their 50 years in business milestone. We sat down with Andy probably 12 months ago now and brainstormed a few ideas about painting a D8 in a different colour. We managed to work with Caterpillar and the factory in Brazil to paint this tractor in the original CAT grey as a bit of a tribute to the original Caterpillar crawler tractors. Divals is a family-owned business. We deal with Andy and his brother Mick, and the 2 sons are deeply involved in the business, being operators and truck drivers and really getting hands-on. We've sold them over the years a number of machines, mainly in the scraper product line, dozers, graders, compactors, rollers, those sorts of things. They really appreciate, I guess, our backup and support, the facilities we have local to these guys in Goulburn. We have field service residents based in the area. We have a branch in Canberra, just down the road. We've got a large branch in Casula, just up the Hume Highway, so they really appreciate the support and backup that they get from WestTrack.